Happy May, green thumbs. My name is Brandon, here to do another video. Today I wanted to show off the most amazing hanging basket combination you could build yourself today. I think it looks absolutely stunning. And our dear friends at Scroll Trellis sent us a solar powered LED topiary frame that basically looks just like this, and it has lights that are going to go around the trellis framing that will light up by themselves at night. So let's get to it. I got here just a standard 16-inch wire hanging basket with one of our easy swap 16-inch liners. As you can tell, this has been used before, and I just washed it up before the video, and we're going to reuse this and make this and give it to my mom for Mother's Day. So I'm going to take the liner, put that in. We're already going to gain better water holding retention out of that. Here's a doggy diaper. I just cut the extra flap stuff off because we're looking for the pad. Also going to help hold some more moisture. I'm going to go ahead and place that at the bottom, and then I'm going to backfill it up with my potting soil. So let's get started with this solar light system. Go ahead and unpackage the solar LED light kit. Take the rubber bands off. It comes with 3 zip ties. You do want to hold on to those. Those are important. It also comes with easy to follow instructions. So to get this together, one more rubber band. So you're going to make an X with these things. And then they have holes that line up and little push tabs that will hold those together. So you push those together and then remove the centerpiece, and that is one unit. Do the exact same thing with your next unit. Once you got the holes lined up, just push them through and it holds together like that. Remove that center tube, and then you can see we've got spikes, and then you're going to want to put those together so that it makes a whatever you want to call it. But there's your piece. Take one of your zip ties, put it through one of the holes. This will secure it and make sure it's going to stay in place. Do that on the opposite side. There, and that's just to make sure to secure it. You can go ahead and clip those off when you're done. And then you just want to take that, put your wire through, and then you just take and you stick each one in the soil And if you don't have it full of soil, it's not the end of the world. You can always fill in the soil later. Alright, now that we got each leg tucked in and the trellis is set up, the last thing we want to do is just secure take the very last zip tie. So you go through a couple of the chains. Down a hole, up through the opposing hole, and then secure that. There. Now it's time for the Solar LED Kit. So there's your solar panel right there. This little piece here is going to slide into the back there, and then this just sticks into your soil. So you just want to hold where they all come together and then kind of work them apart, and then there's each strand is going to wrap around. So then you do just want to wrap it around, and I'm going between each tooth because they are long enough. So it is going to take a little time to set up, but anything that's beautiful does take a little bit of time, and we all know that. Be well worth it. Each strand now has a set of solar lights wrapped around them, or LED lights wrapped around them. I wrapped around the power cord to try to hide some of that, and then this will just stick in and should be stuck in the sunniest part of the hanging basket that you can get. And now it's time to get this thing planted. So now I'm going to finish throwing in some extra dirt. I just threw in enough to be able to stick these into. Alright, and then I never do like to fill them up all the way. I like to fill them up about 2/3 of the way. We do have some decent root balls going in, and I never like to have the soil line all the way to the top as we water. We don't want the water pouring off. So I'm going to plant a centerpiece with some draping, wandering Jew, and then I'm going to plant by seed some vines that will eventually crawl up this and make for a stunning display. So first, my geranium for my centerpiece. And then I'm going to have to divide this wandering Jew into 3. Gently try to untangle them. That should do the trick. And then fill it in the rest of the way. Now that we got it all filled up, it's just time to pop in the seeds. I'm going to take one seed of each and pop it in 3 different spots. And they should pop up all in about 10 days. And that should complete the planting process. So now all this thing needs is some water and then some time to basically germinate and fill in, and it will be beautiful all summer long. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. We will definitely be doing a follow-up video on this, so please stay tuned to our channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Peace.